Ladies, it's not going to stop for a while. Pretty steady snow. This is one of those situations as you look at Doppler 13 radar. Let me zoom on into a little bit of snow that's encroaching into Indiana, Fowler near Attica, Covington. Some of you are just seeing a few flurries dancing around in the sky. There's just not much to this leading edge. This is a little bit more substantive from Rensselaer up to Valpo, Chesterton, and Michigan City. But here in Indianapolis, I really don't see us getting anything now for several hours. But the snow, as Julia mentioned, will move in this morning. It's going to be steady during the afternoon. This is one of those storms where if you, let's say, take a nap at 1 and you wake up at 4, you're going to see a lot of snow, but it's going to take a while for that to build. Already we have snow on the ground, 9 inches of snow on the ground near Richmond and 8 in Bloomington, 9 in Columbus. And here's one computer model that suggests 3 to 4 inches of snow for the metro. And certainly we agree with that. I think generally 2 to 4 area wide. But some of you 3 to 4, and of course down in our far southern counties where Mitchell Community Schools are closed this morning, you guys could get 3 to 5 inches. So here's the front, and what's happening is we're on the backside of this high. Here comes a cold front, so this moisture just moves up to the north. Now this will be mixed with some ice in portions of Kentucky and Tennessee later today, but for us it's all going to be some snow, and the winter weather advisory will be in effect until 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. Right now, as Julia mentioned, it is chilly out there, not as cold as yesterday. We're at 19, 21 in Columbus, but the wind chill is 10 in Indy and Richmond, 14 in Lafayette. That's a whole lot better than sub-zero, which were the kind of wind chills that we experienced yesterday. By 8 a.m., still not snowing in Indy. However, later on this morning and during the entire evening rush hour, we will have a calm wind, but the snow will fall. And as we mentioned, that snow potential 2 to 4 generally, 3 to 4 in the metro. I'm going to show you a map that kind of defines a lot of towns in our next half hour. But let's bring you into 9 o'clock this morning. So this is 9 o'clock. We'll see some snow flurries here, more steady snow from Bloomington and Bedford into Illinois. By lunchtime, Matt will be here with you on the noon show. You can watch him on TV. You can also call him up at WTHR.com and 13 Plus, and he'll be talking about all this snow. And look how steady this is. 4 p.m. for our evening rush. Still this light but steady snow is going to be falling, and that's how you get these accumulations of 2 to 4 because it doesn't stop. That's, if you do the math, 9 to 11, that's 14 hours of potential snow that could be falling. And then tomorrow we've got some cooler air that will move in here eventually by the middle of the week. It really gets cold. 26 today and 27 tomorrow. 31, the top layers of some of this snow may actually melt if we see some sun on Sunday. And then we get cold next week. So cold, sub-zero Wednesday morning with a high of just 13.